Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of deleting an audience list in Mailchimp. Sometimes you may need to clean up your mailing list or start fresh with a new one. So before we jump into the action, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And I'll keep you on the look for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate y'all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this new journey with all of you on board once again. Okay, so for our topic, deleting an audience in Mailchimp, it's an easy process. But before we do that, I would like to share to you the advantages of doing that for your email marketing and list management efforts, okay? So basically, removing outdated, inactive, or unengaged subscribers from your audience helps maintain list hygiene. A clean list can lead to better email deliverability rates and a lower risk of your emails being marked as spam. So MailChimp's pricing is often based on the number of subscribers in your audience, right? So by deleting unnecessary or non-responsive subscribers, you can reduce your subscriptions cost. Really? It's economical and practical. A smaller, more targeted audience is likely to have higher engagement rates. Deleting uninterested subscribers can help you focus on those who genuinely want to receive your emails, resulting in higher open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. And a good sender reputation is crucial for email deliverability, right? Removing unengaged subscribers and spam traps from your list can help improve your sender reputation. It ensures that your emails land in the inbox rather than the spam folders, right? So a smaller but high quality audience allows you to focus on creating and delivering valuable content and offers, and this can lead to a more effective email marketing strategy that drives better results. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, go to mailchimp.com, create your account, and once you successfully create your account, log in with your credentials on it. And then all I gotta do is go to audience right here, audience dashboard. You will be then directed to this part. It's important to note that there are advantages to deleting audiences in MailChimp. You should always proceed with caution and ensure that you have a backup of your data and you comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Additionally, guys, consider segmenting your audience before deleting to retain valuable data and engage with specific groups when necessary. So when you are here, all you gotta do is simply click the audience that you wanted and click delete. That's it. That's how you delete an audience and create a new one. It's that easy. And thank you once again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future content. And if you want us to discuss any topics that you would like to, just leave it in the comments. We love to read your feedback. And I will see you on the next one.